Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Jeep Cherokee. First, gather your essential tools, including a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have 5 to 6 quarts of new engine oil, typically 5W20 synthetic blend, and a fresh oil filter. Park your Jeep on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. Now, let's drain the old oil. Safely slide under your Jeep and locate the oil drain plug, usually a 13mm bolt, on the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing the old, dark oil to flow completely into the pan. This process usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes to ensure a thorough drain. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Locate and remove the old oil filter, often found near the front of the engine, using your oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Reinsert and tighten the drain plug firmly. Finally, let's add the fresh oil. Locate and remove the oil fill cap, usually marked with an oil can symbol, on your engine. Carefully pour in about 5 to 6 quarts of the recommended engine oil. After adding, replace the cap, start the engine briefly, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, ensuring it's between the min and max marks. Double check for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.